Hey everyone, Pastor Padron here, and I am here opening this tin of Nyala from HU Tobacco. On the back of the tin it says Nyala is a medium-bodied blend with red Virginias as ready rubbed flake, Malawi burley cube cut, Perique, Havana leaf, and a touch of Brazil. Let's open it up and find out what it's like. Let's see, I have never had this before, so this will be my first time. Ooh, nice air there. Oh, it smells good. You can smell the red Virginias right off the bat. Very fruity, raisiny. That's what the tobacco looks like there. You can see it. Okay. Let's load this into my pipe. The moisture content feels pretty good, maybe a little on the wetter side, so I won't pack this as hard as I might a tobacco that's a little bit drier. But let's see what happens when we light this up. All right, lit right up. Yeah, you can definitely taste the cigar leaf in there. It's very spicy. The retrohale is very smooth. A little bit of spice right on the end there. The Virginias are right there. That stewed fruit kind of sweetness to them. It's a deeper stewed fruit. The burleys are there with their nutty and chocolate notes. The cigar leaf adds a bunch of kind of low-level spice that is more of a supporting character than in the lead. And I taste the Perique, but it's more raisiny, plummy than it is spicy. HU has some really, really good tobacco. It's a relatively new brand to me. I know it's been out for a while. Glad we're able to be bringing some of it into the store. And if you are a burley lover and you like Virginia burley blends, if you like cigar leaf blends, I think you're really going to like this. This is really nice. It's a lot of cigar leaf blends out there make you feel like you're smoking a cigar in your pipe. This doesn't quite get there. This is, you kind of appreciate the cigar leaf, but it's much more of a supporting player in this. Yeah, I think the burley, which has really deep, woody, nutty chocolate notes to it, that's really the forward tobacco, followed by the Virginia, then the Havana tobacco and the Brazil, and then finally the Perique, which is kind of a condiment in the background. Yeah, very, very nice. Smooth, rich, creamy, medium-bodied. I would say it's medium in strength, and I think I'm going to enjoy finishing this bowl of Nyala, and I, Pastor Padron, recommend it.